Alright guys, so today we're going to continue our study of power functions. And last week, previously in this packet, hopefully you finished some of these problems here, finding intervals and radiuses of convergence. And we were messing around with these power functions, right? This idea from geometric series that we can let f of x be equal to 1 over 1 minus x, and by our geometric series, that's 1 plus x squared plus x cubed, and so on. And that as long as x is less than 1, then it's going to be equal to this function here, all right? And so we manipulated it. We plugged in different things. We looked at the series for 1 over 1 plus x, or 1 over 1 minus x cubed, or, messing around with it in different ways, plugging in different things. But there's a little bit more that you can do than that. So here, for example, this problem up here, we have to prove that 1 over 1 minus x squared is equal to this 1 plus 2x plus 3x squared plus 4x cubed, and so on. And it might be a little bit difficult to figure out how we can manipulate this by plugging in various functions and expressions. Really, it would be much easier if we could recognize that this function, this 1 over 1 minus x squared, is actually the derivative of this particular f of x, right? That if you take the derivative of 1 over 1 minus x, you get 1 over 1 minus x being squared. And therefore, the series has to be the derivative as well. And so there you go. All right, we can not only manipulate by plugging in, we can manipulate power series by taking derivatives and so on. In fact, the series natural log of 1 minus x, how would that be related to 1 over 1 minus x? Well, yep, you're probably thinking it. It's the integral of this. Well, really, it's the opposite of the integral plus some kind of a constant. So we can figure out what this is by taking the integral of the series. So that means negative natural log has got to be equal to that, provided you're still within the same radius as the original. You're still within 1 unit of the origin. Don't forget we could put in a plus c for a constant and multiply through by our negative. And there we go. Your natural log of 1 minus x has got to be equal to and so on. And so now we found that particular series for that function. Okay? For today, I would like you to find the series for the inverse tangent. It might actually be related to the derivative of inverse tangent. So try and think of 1 over 1 plus x squared, and then maybe try and integrate that to find the series for tan inverse, okay? I'd like you to take a picture of it and enter it into the first Google form that I'm going to put up there, and then tomorrow I'm going to have you do something similar as well, okay? Thank you.